How to sell books on Lulu, create and self-publish. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell ebooks on Lulu. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Lulu, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Lulu.com, it is a prominent self-publishing platform that enables authors to publish, sell, and distribute their works without the need for traditional publishing revenues. Established as a print-on-demand service in which Lulu allows users to upload their manuscripts and create physical copies of their books, which are printed only when ordered, in which this model eliminates the necessity for upfront printing costs and inventory storage, making it accessible for writers of all backgrounds. And now to create an account on Lulu.com, you'd also proceed by clicking the link in the description, or alternatively, you'd also click this create free account button in here or this register button to proceed, in which upon clicking this button will automatically be directed on this page. And to create your account, just fill out all of this required information, including your first name, last name, email address, your currency, language, and also to generate your own password in here. And after that, just proceed by clicking the sign up button to proceed in here. Then you also need to verify your email address. So just go to your email inboxes in here and just proceed by clicking this confirm your account button. And upon doing so, we'll now be able to be directed again on this page wherein our account has now been signed in here. And now to start selling books on Lulu, just proceed by clicking this print books in here and proceed by clicking start my print book button. You could also click this publish a print book to proceed under this print book section in here. Upon clicking on it, you'll be directed on this page, so just proceed by clicking the start my print book, and below it will show you how you could also do that. But by clicking this button, will automatically be directed on this page. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply select here the product type. You have here print book, magazine, yearbook, calendar, and ebook. But I'm going to choose this print book, and also under this select a goal, you have the choices to choose either publish your book or print your book. And I'm choosing publish your book. And below here, it will show you that you could also select Lulu Bookstore or Lulu Direct to be publish your book to any of these retail options to sell your book. And below under book details, just enter here the product title of your book, the languages that you need to select in here, and even the book category on this page. So for the project title, I'm going to enter here, as you can see, men's stamp. And after that, just proceed by clicking add copyright info, in which you will be directed on the next page, which is this copyright section in here. And again, all you need to do on this page or in this section is to fill out all of the required information, including edition, statement, edition, subtitle, and many more. But that is just only an optional. But below here, you could also add the contributors. Example, the role of these contributors is the author. I'm going to enter my first name and also my last name. And after that, below here, you could also add here all writers service standard copyright license for the holder of this copyright. Then just simply enter the copyright here to proceed. And after that, below here, you could also enter or select this some rights reserved by simply clicking on it. And aside from that, below ISBN, you can simply use this free ISBN to proceed. And after that, just click design your book to be presented the next tab or next section. Now under this design section, all you need to do is to simply upload your PDF file or your interior file in here. But you could also design using this platform called canva.com, in which just go to the search bar of Canva and can enter the kind of templates that you prefer. Let's say book. It will show you a variety of template in here to choose from. So all you need to do is to simply select any of these book result of templates. You could also choose book cover. But at this point, I'm going to search on the search bar ebook. And after searching on it, it will show you a variety of templates to choose from in here. And some of them are offered for free. So can I choose one, for example, this one, by clicking on it. You can now proceed by simply clicking this customize this template button, and you will now be able to be directed on this page right here. And at this page, you could also start customizing this template by clicking on it, or any of this element, including this text right here. By simply highlighting it, we can start changing the title of this page. And as you can see, I'm going to enter here, men's stamp. And now that we successfully changed the title, we can also change the name of the author in here. And aside from that, you could also change the background color if you want to, but I'm going to keep it that way. And if you also want to add other elements, you can do so by navigating on the left side panel some of these editing tools. You could also click this add a page if you want to start adding a page. Since you're trying to sell here an ebooks, you could also get some of the templates that you can find on the left side panel using the design in here. Simply selecting to start choosing to any of the design that is available or offer for free. But if you're not done, just click the share button on the top right corner. But before that, on the top panel, you could also start renaming this file before clicking the share button in here. Then click the download button and select the file type in here as PDF standard or PDF print depending on your preferences. Then click the download button to proceed. However, if you selected or choose any kind of design that is offered for Pro version, you need to upgrade to Pro plan in order to use those kind of info or design. And now as you can see, we're now currently downloading the ebook that we just customized in here. And after downloading, just go back to our lulu.com and simply upload the PDF file that we just customized. So basically, in uploading a file in here, you also need to follow some of the requirements, including the PDF page count, which is 2 to 800 pages, font style that is embedded, and even the layers, which is flattened. But since at this point, the book that we just uploaded or the file that we just uploaded only contain 1 pages, we can simply add here a new page before we start again downloading and uploading again on the page of lulu.com. So again, I'm going to do the same process, but at this point, we'll already have multiple pages in here. And after downloading it again, you can now proceed again by going to lulu.com and start uploading again this kind of PDF file with its requirements, which is needed in uploading on this interior file. And after that, while we're waiting, you could also navigate below here some of the other details, including this book specifications, which is you also need to remember, and choose also this interior color in here. However, it should be available once you successfully upload here the interior file. And from here, you could also change the page count, the book sizes, and even the interior color in here. And also this paper type with here a variety of options to choose from. But at this point, those options is currently unavailable since the file that we just uploaded is not on the same size that are needed or required in here. But if you do successfully upload here some of the file or PDF file in here of your book, and it is fitted on this kind of description or match the book sizes available for the product type, you'll be able to navigate some of this info. Moving on to the details section, from here you could also add the description or project details, contributors notes, and even this table of contents, but that is just only an optional. Moving on below here, you could also fill out all of these category and keywords that you prefer. And if you're now done filling out all of these details, you could also select here an audience for your book that you are selling. Then proceed by clicking add the pricing and payees. By simply clicking this button, will automatically be directed in here, where we can set up or set pricing here or list the price for the book that we are selling, and proceed to review to start selling your published book in here. But overall, that is just basically how you can sell books on Lulu. Thank you.